Y'all see my brows?
Hey baby loves, and welcome to my channel. Just a little disclaimer: if you have sensitive skin, baby, read the back of the box and listen to it. It says not to leave it on for more than 3 minutes, and you don't want your forehead skin burnt off, so I suggest that you listen to the box. But just getting right into the video, I grabbed my spoolie just to comb out my hairs and see where my eyebrows were actually going. Then I went ahead and I got my eyebrow pencil. I just picked it up from the beauty supply. It's about $1, but I suggest that you actually get an eyebrow brush instead with an angle to it, so you can be more precise with what you're doing and where you're going with this. Okay, so right after you got everything shaped up where you want it to be at, all that, you just pick up your cream, you put some on your brush that you have, whatever angle brush you want to use for this. If you look in the package, the little bottle, it already comes with a brush, but don't use that. It's really thick. I'm pretty sure I'm sense enough not to use that, but still, I just wanted to say that. You don't have to put as much product on it as I did. I was just, I don't know, I'm reckless. But y'all, if this is your first time, I wouldn't suggest it because your eyebrows are gonna be gone. But anyway, moral of the story is don't risk it all like I did. Like I was saying, like, you don't have to pack it on. You can gradually put the product on as you go. As long as you have some type of idea of where you're going, it can be a thin layer and then you can just build it up as you're going. I'm trying to make this video as clear as possible, so I'm hoping all of what I just said made sense, and if it doesn't, then y'all can just keep on watching the video and it's pretty much self-explanatory. So I'm gonna just be quiet now. Okay, my loves, after everything is set in place, it is where y'all want it to be at, and y'all waited that good 3 minutes. Just take a hot towel. You can take a cotton ball as well, and you could just wipe your face the direction that your hair is growing in. That towel made my face red though because it was a little rough, but don't mind that. But that's honestly it. That's all you really have to do. I think in this video I also included how I do my eyebrow slit, which is also really simple. Usually I use a razor blade, but y'all know me, I lost that. So I had to pick up one of those eyebrow shaper things y'all gonna see later on in the video. But all I did was just use my concealer, do a little line. I usually have a good idea of where I want my slit to be at, and then I just do a little nick, and that's about it. That's about it. If y'all want to see an eyebrow tinting video, because I used to tint my eyebrows as well, I can just get it to y'all. But I hope this video was informational. Please like and subscribe, and talk to y'all later. Bye.